Hello everybody and welcome to this week's studio vlog. So as I explained in my podcast that went up last Thursday, hopefully you watched it. If you didn't, then you'll be able to find it on my channel. I discussed how this studio vlog would be a little bit shorter than others because I have one of my best friend's weddings this weekend, which I'm super excited for, but that is going to take out a good chunk of my working week to help out with that. So I have tried to work really long hours this week to try and get as much footage as I can in the few days that I have to work. Next week will be a completely normal working week and I'll have a really great long studio vlog hopefully for you guys. And then I have a Christmas video coming out next Thursday, which is really exciting. So yes, this will be a bit of a shorter vlog. So right now I am going to finish putting together the charms that you would have seen me get started last studio vlog. So I'm gonna put all of the little rings and keychains and charm loops on all of the pumpkin charms, and then I'm gonna package a couple of orders and then we'll see where else the week takes us. Okay, so I finished putting all of the rings and the keychains on the charms, which have the resin on them. I think they're super cute. And these are the charms that have the rings and the little charm loop through them, and they've got the resin coating as well. So I think that all of them turned out really well. So now I just have to take product photos and then get them ready to put up on Etsy for September 1st. So my ink's running low in my Canon printer, and I usually buy the Canon ink, but I've noticed how overpriced I think it's very expensive ink, and I knew that buying this printer that the printer ink was not cheap, and I know that printer ink in general is more expensive, but I found this brand called Galata, and it's a fraction of the cost, and I did a ton of research, and people who have Canon printers say that they use this over the Canon printer ink and say it's just as good. You get twice as much for like even less than half the cost of the Canon ink. So I'm just going to calibrate that now, and hopefully that the ink quality, like fingers crossed, is just as good as the Canon ink. Otherwise I'm going to have to order Canon ink. So I'm going to switch out the inks and let you guys know.